Welcome to this short video in which I'm going to discuss only one word, and that is email. So you see here email ID or email address. In India, we often come across people using this expression, what is your email ID? Take my email ID. Can I have your email ID? But they both are incorrect. Absolutely incorrect. Your email sign cannot be your ID. ID means identity. They can't be. So, what is the correct way to say this? Now, let us look at it. You can see here, this is again Oxford Dictionary. What is your email address? Clearly, what is your email address? Okay. Okay, let us look it up in another dictionary. This is Cambridge. This Cambridge dictionary also tells us what is your email address. So the point that I'm trying to drive home is never say email ID. That is absolutely wrong, incorrect. Whether you give your email address or take somebody's email address, it is always address and not email ID. That is one point. Second thing is, look at this sentence, this expression at. Okay, suppose I'm writing my email sign. Now, how do you read it? Quite often people say like Harish at the rate of gmail.com. Absolutely wrong. It is not at the rate of. Let us look at it. Let us go to authentic literature. Now you see here, even when I'm looking up this sign, and this is our dictionary powered by Oxford Lexico, how to read this sign. Now you see, used in internet address between the user's name and the domain name, and here even when you use that sign to quote price or cost or rate, you see here definition number 2, at used to indicate cost or rate per unit, but you don't say at the rate of, you just have to say at. Now you look here, this example, 30 dictionaries, somebody is buying as many as 30 dictionaries, maybe wholesale rate, 30 dictionaries at 29.99 pounds each. This is what it is saying, at. Okay, if you don't believe it, let us go back to Oxford Learners Dictionary, and this is our preposition at preposition, and we go straight to definition number 8, where it says used to show or rate speed, etc. Now look here, he was driving at 70 miles per hour mph, not at the rate of. Another sentence, the noise came at 2-minute intervals, not at the rate of 2 minutes. intervals. Third, prices start at $1,000, not at the rate of 1,000. The book retails at 19.95 pounds, at, not at the rate of. Now you see here, this is your Wikipedia, okay? And this also describes in great detail, as you can see here, at, okay? And what does it say? The at sign, and this is the sign. So it doesn't say at the rate of, at sign, this is at sign, is normally read aloud as at. It is clear, categorical. The at sign, which is this, is normally read aloud, means loudly, as at. It doesn't say at the rate of. Yes, then it goes on to say some extra thing, like it is also commonly called the at symbol. You can say this is an at symbol, or commercial at, or address sign. But usually we just say at. So my whole point is, you don't ask somebody email ID, you use the expression email address, and if you have to read your email address, then it should be at harish@gmail.com, not at the rate of. So these two common errors I often come across in India among my students, among my peers, and I thought it will be a good idea to discuss that. I hope this has helped you. Until my next video, bye.